Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to do a review on some cubes. So the first one is the Cyclone 2x2 Feihu. It didn't send the sticker on or the logo, so it's just alright. But let's do some turns on this. That feels pretty good. Not much to say about it though. As it turns really good. Let's just scramble it right here. Alright. There, white side. Hello. Oh, there. I didn't get any peel slips. But there are two peel cases. This is a G-perm or T-perm. So that's done. And then we have this case, which these two corners need to switch. Okay, so that's the Cyclone 2x2 Feihu. It's pretty nice. So now we're moving on to the qiyi 3x3. Get some nice. You got the logo right here. So let's do the first turns. Oh wow, this turns really good. It's pretty good. Yeah, if you're going to rate cubes, then the 2x2 is going to be 10 out of 10, and this probably a 7 out of 10. Wait, I forgot to check the corner cutting on this cube. Gets that 45, just it doesn't get the 45, but probably gets the 41. Yeah. Alright, so the next one is the 4x4. Yes. Just when I got it, I was going to do some moves, but I did the algorithm wrong, so I accidentally scrambled it. I know. But it turns pretty good. What about the corner cutting? I don't know if the corner cutting is good. Oh no, that's not the best corner cutting. But okay, so that's the 4x4. I'm probably gonna rate this a 7 out of 10 as well. And now we're moving on to the pyraminx. I actually got this quite long ago, so I'm just gonna do a review on it now. It has ball bearings. You get right there, you can see it. Okay, so let's do some first turn. Not first turns, but some turns. So, wait, are the stickers falling off? No. I thought I saw like a marker here, but yeah, alright. So, I give me this. Wait. This is a Shengshou legend, by the way. Oh my. Oh, that's in good corner cutting. Not so good, but you can't corner cut. I'm gonna rate this a 10 out of 10. Oh yeah, and I also have two puzzles that I have reviewed. No, yes, I have reviewed one of them, but I haven't reviewed the other one. So here is the qiyi cube, and yeah, it's horrible. It's like the worst turning cube in my collection, or not worst, but still turns pretty good. I know some cases on this cube, but that's not a lot. The only things I know is the head. Sometimes I just Sometimes I mess up the algorithm, sometimes I do have sledgehammers instead of a hedgehammer, so yeah. And also I have this mirror cube, which it's horrible. I bought it in Denmark. Yeah. And it does not turn. Oh my goodness. I can just turn it a little bit. T-perm. Yay. Oh my goodness. There. So that's gonna do it for today's video. I'm also gonna show this is a non-WWCA event. So I'm also gonna show a lot of difference like this one, which sometimes just pops out. And this is the only puzzle that can pop that I have in my collection, so yeah. So, oh my goodness. I don't know how to solve it either. So it's going to be really hard to understand how to solve it, but I'll figure it out one day. I only got a cross, not even a cross. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this interview, please smash the like button, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in my next video. See you later, guys.